Diba ang balita, 4 na yaya pa ang kasama ni Ellen ngayon. Na sila talaga nagbigay ng mami niya. May 4 na yaya. Pagkatapos merong nilipatan na bahay. Kasama pa yung allowance ni Lily. So secure siya. Wala siyang dapat na idiretso. Dahil alam niya, ang diretso ay hindi na dinediretso pa. Diba ang balita?
Yes, nanay-nanayan siya, anak-anakan siya. I don't know what they're, I know they're close. And Vermin is doing the dirty work for him, di ba? Bango-bango ng pangalan niya pag si Vermin ang nagsalita. So, I don't appreciate it na like that because if they're close, he can just call her up and say, hey, stop it. I'm still his wife. That's my wife. Can stop it. But no. So it's like smear campaigns. He's asking people to do the dirty work for him. And it's such a pathetic, bitchy move. It's at least have the balls to do it yourself. Man up. Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and you're so used to lying, you start to believe in your own lies. So, forgiveness is only for the people who deserve it and who ask for it and really change. But I'm not Mother Teresa, guy. I'm not there yet. You're a deep thinker. You analyze. You do your research and you think. Diba? Kung quiet na lang unta siya, di ta ma-trigger din di mangangkon, di magpaka-feeling na dato kay siya, di ba ma-trigger kayo makatingog ta piragaba din ta.